Yes, when I first met my spotted, oded, dope-delicious angel, the way she moved reminded me of a brown stallion horse with skates on, you know, smooth like a hot comb on nap-ass hip. Yes, when I first met my...
Okay, so Mario's Pizza on Wendover has veggie cheese. Vegan cheese, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to add my veggies to my pizza and watch it get beautiful. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, I can't do this with one hand, but you get the gist of it. I'm really glad I only got 2 slices with vegan cheese on it because it's terrible. But the rest of them just have the sauce. Oh, that was gross. Oh,
the vegan?
Yeah, the vegan cheese. It tastes like, I don't know.
Make your stomach hurt?
It don't go down. It don't. Ugh.
Want to go down?
Ugh. I gotta get this out of my mouth. So I scraped the vegan cheese off. This is it. It kind of sits like melted plastic. Like I made a vegan cheeseburger yesterday, and the orange cheese is just like this. Like I couldn't get it to melt, but evidently they got it to melt for the pizza, but it tastes terrible. So I'm gonna take the cheese off of this one. And this pizza is so good besides that. So good. And of course I'm gonna do the crushed red peppers because I love peppers.
Make sure you wash your hands after that, Mommy.
Why, what's gonna happen if I don't? Tell me.
Because last time, there was like a pepper in her eye, and we don't want the exact same accident happen again.
Yeah, I did rub my eyes with the pepper on my finger. That didn't go well. Yep, well, this is my perfect pizza.
It's not on purpose, though.
Right. All right.